Hi guys, today I will show you and we will make together some dinner. I thought that it will be interesting not just show you some recipe but show some few recipes and what I eat for dinner or lunchtime, and that's why we will make the aubergine first of all, then we will make the hummus in my way, and then we will bake a little bit of bread. I will show you. But first of all, we need to cut the aubergine because we need to bake it in the oven. Okay, you need to cut in the circles, but better not so thin because when it will be cooked, it will be really dry out. That's why better a little bit bigger. Okay, this will be such amazing dinner. I really love this how to say, Middle Eastern flavors. Okay, we don't need this. We need some baking tray, and then we will put our aubergines. I know that some you will say you need to rinse it. Maybe you need to put some in salt water or something like that, but I never do like this. I usually just put them. Okay, then we will need a little bit of oil, but remember that aubergines loves oil. They can like swim in the oil. That's why we need to be really careful about them. That's why we take a brush and splash a little bit of oil. Yes, because we don't need a lot of oil, because hummus will be good with fats, but with good fats, and that we don't need extra fatty. I hope you will make with me this, and I think it's really nice. For example, if your guests are coming, it's really easy and really quick meal. Okay, then I put a little bit of oil, then I put salt. It's the kosher salt. Give everybody a little bit of salt, don't miss. And pepper. Remember, if you have ground pepper or ground salt, it's usually better. Then I will take some thyme. I really love thyme. Who don't like thyme? Yeah. And if you have a fresh thyme, and I have fresh thyme, then you can put them as well. Just cut roughly and spread it out. And now you put those gorgeous one in your oven. I think approximately 20 minutes, but it depends of course of your oven. Okay, I will put, and then I will show you something else. Okie dokie. Now we can make some hummus. Okay, you need some processor or some a blender, high-speed blender, what you have. Then I have a 500 grams of chickpeas. I prepared them, I soaked overnight them, and then of course I peel them. I peel every tiny little skin. Of course, you can use the canned chickpeas as well with the skin, but for the best result, if you want the silky and smooth hummus, you need to do what? You need to soak the chickpeas overnight, then you need to cook them a little bit with soda. Put in your water when you cook the chickpeas soda. And that's why your skin will easily go away, and then you need just peel them. Then we need some citrusy flavor, we need some lemon, then we need tahini. I know some of you will say, where is the oil, where is the oil? I don't put oil in my hummus. I know that some put, some not, but I know that in Israel it's the same. Some are putting the oil as well, some not. I will spread on the hummus, and then we need the garlic. That's why I don't have a raw garlic, but if you have raw garlic, you can put the raw garlic. If you like better cooked garlic, you can cook it in your oven, for example, right now with the aubergines, or you can cook your garlic while the chickpeas are cooking in the water as well. I don't have raw garlic, I just have a garlic powder, and I really love my garlic powder. That's why I will make with this. Oh, I forgot. And you need a water. I don't know why I'm saying this session. Okay, you need a water, but you need that your water is ice cold, like ice baby. But really ice cold. I just put in the freezer my water. If you don't have time to put in freezer, just put some ice cubes in your water. Okay, we can start. First of all, you need to put your chickpeas in your blender. They are nicely and cooked and soft, and you started to process them. If you need a little bit of mixing because they stuck a little bit. It's okay. Okay, while they are mixing, we can prepare, I'll show you, the lemon. You need just make some lemon massage and it will be more juicy. We need the whole lemon juice. While it's mixing, I will do massage. Okay, you need to stir a little bit again because some are a little bit not so. Oh. Okay, and then you need to cut your lemon juice. Of course, first of all, you need use just a 1/2 of it. It's the best tool for these lemon seeds. Just put your hands under. Okay. One seed and squeeze it really good. Make your muscle training. And you can mix a little bit as well. Okay, it started to combine a little bit more because the lemon juice is liquid. Yes, yes, please. And you let this. And now you can put a little bit of seasoning. Okay, salt. Remember, little bit less salt at first is better. Some pepper. And I will put my garlic. I don't know how much it is. Tiny bit. Okay. And now you can put a little bit of water as well. Little bit. Oh, here is 100 grams of water. I measure for you. Okay, now you can mix a little bit of. Well, okay, and now we can put. Or tahini, you can try. Tastes like chickpeas. Okay, here is 40 grams of tahini. And we can put the tahini as well. And the water. Well, you need to use cold water because tahini is fat and water is cold, and when fat connect with the cold, then they are do some magic. Okay, put little splash of water again and start it to combine. Okay, now you need to try how it tastes. You need to try to taste. I think a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Yeah. And now you need to leave it for 4 or 5 minutes to combine. Okay, 5 minutes is done, and now we can see our hummus. See? See? Everybody see? Everybody? If you put more tahini, it will be more smoother and more rich and more, how to say, with strong taste. But I don't like to put a lot because it's not too good for my stomach. That's why I put a little bit. Okay, we need to try. Man, this nutty flavor from tahini, but remember, oh, it's so delicious. Remember, you need to try it. How is about seasoning? If it's okay, salt, pepper. I put a little bit while it's mixing, little bit of not onion, but his cousin garlic. I put a little bit garlic because I need a little bit, and I wanted to fast to show. I usually bake bread at home, and then I slice and put in my freezer, and then put in these zip bags. And then when I, for example, need, or my guests are coming, or my family want this, I put in the oven, and it's like warm up like 4 or 5 minutes, and it's so delicious with the hummus and with the aubergines and with everything. Okay, now I checked my aubergines, it's 75% already. Okay, and of course you can put some sumac. Sumac is spice. In the Middle East, it's really popular. It's a little bit like sour taste. If you want to put some lemon juice or sumac, you can put this. You can put the paprika powder as well. It's like it's sweet smoked paprika, and I have that kind of Svenski, I don't know how it's even in English, but there is some coriander, paprika, chili, and etc. Okay, you see. Oh, it's like cloud. Oh, this is so good. So good. And it's really, in my family, it's really popular to make this like dinner, for example, and just this. Okay, we will spread a little bit. Okay, and now you can put a little bit of sumac. Just yes, and a little bit of paprika powder. And of course, if you want, you can make this circle with spoon here and put a little bit of olive oil. I don't want to put a little bit of olive oil, but you can do it. I'll put some fresh parsley. Chop roughly. And put it over the hummus. and nobody see you. Hummus. Hummus, where are you? I'm hiding from whom? From Vinnet. Okay, what you need to do, you need to cut your tomato. I will make that kind of board. The center will be hummus. Then I need to cut my tomato. You know that I love yellow tomatoes. Don't cut in small pieces because it will be hard to take. Just like that. Then we will take our bread and aubergines. Our bread is ready. When you put it in an oven, it's become a little bit more crispy, and it's so good. And you see, oh, it's so bad that you can taste it and smell it. Now you can cut. Okay. Crack, crack. This cracking sound. If you have cucumber, if you have carrots, I have, but I don't want to cut them right now. And we are waiting for our aubergines, and then you need to do like that. Okay, I will show you. You see, they are really hot. You need to do like this. Okay, they're hot, but you will just put on the corner. Remember, if you want other veggies, you can freely use other as well. Oh, these small ones are crispy here. Okay. You want to try it? Okay, I will try it. Take the bread. Take the full batch of parsley. Open your mouth. If you need, you can put a little bit of lime juice or something like that, lemon juice. Okay, and the same. You can take your aubergine, put a little bit of this, put one tomato in the middle, and if you need some pepper, like I do, and I think you need to like them, try them, taste them, and this is so delicious. You need to try them, love them, eat them, something with them. Bye.